What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play The Way by Trippie and Russ. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab for the song that I made you can find in the description as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. Now the chords and the chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song starts with a C sharp minor. It's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Nothing on the low E string, bar the 4th fret starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to B major, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Technically 2 on the high E as well, but I'm just playing this with the A string, D string, G string, and B string. Index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and then you're going to use your ring finger to bar the D, G, and B. Then you're going to go to A major, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Middle finger, 2nd fret, D string. Ring finger, 2nd fret, G string. Pinky finger, 2nd fret, B string. And then E major, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Middle finger, 2nd fret, A string. Ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. Index finger, 1st fret on your G string. And then as part of the progression, it goes back to your B before it starts all over at the C sharp minor. So the progression looks like now, the simplest way to play this song is to just downstrum through these chords twice, the way that they do during the song. I will show you the little riff that they're playing in between the notes every now and then in like the chorus and stuff, but the simplest way will just be 2 downstrums, 2 downstrums, 2 downstrums. You're going 1, 2, 1, 2. And that just repeats. Now for the riff that they're playing in between the chords, you're going to start with your 2 down strums on your C sharp minor, and you're going, so open E string, hammer on 2, hammer on 4, and then open E, hammer on 2. Then go to your B, 2 down strums, slide to 5. I typically start on the 2nd fret, but it doesn't really matter. You just slide to 5, 4, 2, pull off to open, and then pluck open. Then go to your A for 2 down strums, and your, so open B, hammer on 2, and then pull off to open, hammer on 2, pull off to open. 1 on your G string, 2 on your D, and then slide to 4 on your D. So. Then you're gonna go, technically you could just pluck the 2nd fret on your A string, but it sounds a little bit cooler if you just play the full chord right after that, so. And it starts over. There's a little pause right there after the pause, and then down strum. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the 2nd winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.